Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making some air fried spicy garlic green plantain. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. Ask anybody, boy. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
Now for this recipe, we're using green plantain. Now I've had them, as you can see, about a week or so, and finally decided to just get on and do what I do. So what we're gonna do with the green plantain, give them a good wash, then we're gonna cut them up. Now this one is for the people them who don't really too like the whole heap of fry thing. You can, if you have an air fryer, you can use it. Totally came out just nice. So what we're gonna do after we cut up the plantain, we're gonna just boil them for about 10 minutes. Now in the pot, going with a little bit of oil just to prevent for getting too black, and also some salt. Now boil these, run a knife through it and just make sure the knife goes straight through it. Everything different, and I did have these quite for about a week, so maybe they started to ripe up a bit. Now once they're cooked, you want to go ahead now and remove the skin. Now once you remove the skin, if you have your fancy gadget that you can use to smash them, go ahead, but I don't have no fancy gadget, so it's all about my ramekin right now. Just as long as it can flatten it, me not have no problem. Now once I flatten them, I'm gonna lightly brush them with some oil. I'm gonna put them in the air fryer. Now my air fryer, I did them on 200 for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now whilst that's been done, I'm gonna go ahead with saute some butter and some garlic. Now you can add a little bit of, like a chili flakes. If you have like a scotch bonnet or whatever, you can go ahead and add it, or a little bit of cayenne pepper, but I did mine at the end. Now once your plantain is done, you want to go ahead. Now I tried it in the bowl first, but too much of the sauce did I waste out, so I just put them back in the pot and just give them a nice rub. But when you know what I mean when I say give them a nice rub, just make sure so all of that buttery garlicky goodness just goes all over it. Now you can again go ahead with a little bit of salt and a little bit of cayenne pepper, optional, for a little bit of heat, and just serve this up. And I tell you, say this nice, when me tell you say my something them nice, so my hand them blessed, but Father God, thank you for my hand them, because you see when I go and I make something, it nice. Now look at this. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.